I took a picture. Microwave popcorn. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. do. Smell the butter.
I wonder if anyone will actually watch this. About now they just go off down.
Don't say that.
Oh yeah, these guys go off. Just watch this for the next 3 minutes.
Yes, until it explodes.
And blood, I'll be back.
It's going off.
Yeah,
But
really.
it does get more interesting, doesn't it?
When it gets bigger and then it starts popping. Starts popping.
How right, you can see our reflection of the thing.
In here all the time.
Hey! That's like
Oh, you shut me.
Right,
Okay.
open it.
Oh,
Let's open it.
I do.
Hold on to that.
Oh my god.
Hold on to that a minute.
Oh my god.
I can't get my finger in it.
You've got your finger over it. Okay. Smells like
You like butter?
yeah. It's hot. You get that through 1 minute of a packet of
It's deflating.
of popcorn. Oh, first cheese.
Find out.
Are these people? Can I put the phone in the microwave?
No.
With it.
It's me all.
What, my phone? Can you remember what happened to my phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, we played football with it at the party.
Where is it now?
In a drawer, crying.
Does it have to do that? Can I stay still?
It needs to. I don't know. Look at me.
No, stop it.
I'm sorry.
Roll for long thing.
I think you need a larger microwave.
Roll, I'm sorry. Maybe we need smaller popcorn bags. Stop it.
I'm sorry.
Will it not work if you just like, sorry, we get stuck before you go?
Yeah, but you need all of it to cook. We've got a minute left in it, sorry. Wow,
Yeah, it's actually like. You aren't talking about something like that. You get that through 2 minutes of popcorn. Spinning.
No, it's actually 3 minutes and 33 seconds.
But
It's bloody aerosol. What's this? Oh, it smells like cinnamon, look. I think that's good, don't you?
no.
Wow.
Not a minute.
Or else it's going to burn.
Look, it's opening.
You don't really get what's in you, right?
Yeah. I know.
This is like this.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
Let's take the popcorn. Are you ready, people, to see the finishing result? I don't want to open it because it burns.
Yeah.
It smells like BL. Don't stop it. Don't need to open it.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Okay, take it.
Right, what do I have to do? Pull the slit open.
What, like that?
I love it.
Does it?
Oh, look at that. Okay, let's tip it out. Hold on to that and I'll get a bowl. Sorry.
Popcorn.
No, stick it back off.
It's good, man. It's your honey. Video popcorn was falling on the floor. Wow. Ooh la la.
Well, bye-bye from Becca. Bye-bye from Kurt. I've got my Can I say bye, Becca?
Yeah.
Bye, Kirsty.